Hey guys, Coach Crickson here. Welcome back to another video. I was just jamming. Y'all caught me mid-jam. In this video, I'm going to talk about 10 ways to grow your brand with Facebook groups. It is one of my favorite ways to grow my business. Okay, and it's free. So, Facebook groups. If you're not doing Facebook groups, my friend, you are missing out. Okay, here's why you want to be growing your business with Facebook groups. 1, it's free. 2, it's a great way to connect with people who are interested in whatever it is you have to offer, and to build that know, like, and trust. And guess what? Guess who buys from people? They buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you can quickly build a relationship with people in Facebook groups. Okay, so I'm going to go over exactly how to do that in this video. So the reason why I'm doing this is I'm with talking about this today. I'm with a program called $25 One Up, and it provides 100% instant commissions: 25, 125, 250, 500, and $1,000. It has no monthly fees, and I've been able to make over $24,000 with this system. And I know a lot of people are saying, well, my friends, like, how do I build connections with people and do it fast? Well, Facebook groups is one of the fastest way to do it. So for people who are in that program and they're saying, woo, what's something that I can do to do that? I'm giving you the secret sauce. Okay, so I'm going to give you these these 10 ways that you can grow your brand with Facebook groups. And I know that you're going to take away some great information, and you're going to implement it with speed in your business, and then you're going to comment back, Shin, I did it. I'm getting results. All right, so in the meantime, smash the subscribe button if at any point you want to learn about $25 One Up, or you want to learn more about growing your business with Facebook groups. Underneath is a course, access to a course, information on how to get access to that underneath this video. All right, so let's jump into that. Let's jump to these 10 ways. So I already said why you need to be considering Facebook groups. Okay, so again, something that's free, something that allows you to build an amazing connection with people fast, gets them to know you, to like you, and to trust you. And then also, it allows you to, one thing that I'm going to say is that I see a lot of gurus out there like, give value, give value. You got people out there giving value for a year and they still ain't made no sales. Your group is not just a group where you're going to be providing value, right? You're also going to be selling in that group. You're going to be going live, talking about your opportunity. You're going to be going live, talking about your product, right? You're going to be putting promotions in there, but in between, you're going to give them content relevant to what it is you have to offer. So for example, if you had a Facebook group for people who were interested in making money online, right? Of course, you might have some memes that you post about making money online. You might, the lighthearted stuff. You might give some tips on making money online, but at least 2 to 3 times a week, you're going to be selling in that group. You're going to go live and talk to them about your opportunity and things like that. You're going to invite them to a webinar. These are things that you can do so that you're not just giving value, but you're also doing the things that lead to conversions and sales. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So first you need to decide what your group is going to be about. I'll give you a good example. I have a wellness company. And I have a group, a healthy living Facebook group. So guess what I do? I go live on my other profile, and I talk about wellness, and I say, hey, if you want to learn more about wellness, or you want to learn how XYZ, if I do a testimonial, I say, you want to learn how Tanisha got XYZ results, you need to be in my healthy living group. Okay, so I'm using my Facebook group as a lead magnet. Okay, now I put the link in the comment section as soon as the live is over, and now people are being driven to my Facebook group. When they get in my Facebook group, now that's where I can build a connection with them, right? So that's pretty cool. So decide what your group is going to be about and what you want people to know. The next thing is, in your Facebook group, ask questions. Who in here, like if it was a Make Money Online group, who in here would be interested in learning how to make $100 a day, right? You want to ask questions, because that's going to not only help with engagement in your group, it's going to help you build authority as well, but it's also going to let you see who in the group are not only just watchers, but they're truly interested in whatever it is that you have to offer. In your wellness group, if you had a weight loss group, right, weight loss niche, then you will be asking questions like who in here is struggling with weight loss, right? maybe you give 3 options. What do you think is your biggest obstacle to overeating? Now you have a way to help those people, right? So ask some questions in your group. It's going to help with your engagement. You can poll members. Do this on a regular basis. Ask questions and poll your members. And the next, number 3, is so important. You want to have group rules, and make sure that your membership knows the rules and enforce them regularly. Okay. So what I do is, like, in my Facebook group, I utilize the pinned post. Okay. So what I do is I make a video, explain, like, welcoming people to the group, letting people know what it is. Like, there's no secret. It's like, okay, hey guys, welcome to the group. I'm Coach 𝐑𝐞𝐜. In this group, you're going to learn about XYZ. And also, by the way, I always love the by the way, if you want to learn how to make money online, make $100 a day, lose weight, whatever the group is about, right above here are some links on how you can get connected to that. Ask me if you have any questions, ask me questions. Done. Upload that video to your Facebook group, and then you're going to add your links in there. Okay. Now, I also put underneath that a couple emojis, and then I put my group rules. And my group rules are simple. It's like, stay positive. Don't be spamming and promoting in my group because it's my group. Hey, make your own group. And that's it. Like, you know, create your group rules, and whatever your group rules are. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot a rule. Another rule is to stay engaged. And I give them some tips on how they can do that. I'm like, hey, if you find a motivational quote, like, this isn't my group, this is our group. So, you know, if you find a motivational quote, or you find something that will help the other people in this group, post that. That's how you create an engaged community. Okay. So have group rules and make sure you enforce that regularly, and make sure that your membership knows that. So what I do is, when a new person joins my group, I tag them underneath that video, because they're immediately going to not only see my welcome, be subtly introduced to my opportunity or my product or my service, but then they're also going to see my group rules all in one post. Okay, there you go. And you can pin that to the top or make it a marked announcement. Number 4, you need to react and comment on your members' posts. So this is what I do. I go into my groups like once a day, like near the end of the day, while I'm watching TV, you know, and I just take a couple minutes and just see who comments, and I comment back. Oh yeah, girl. But this is the relationship building that you can do in groups. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Know, like, and trust. These people know me, they like me, and they trust me. And I know them, and I like them, and I trust them too. Right. I ask them for advice all the time for things. Right. So react and comment on your members' posts. Okay. So if you're doing the things I talked about in the beginning, you're building engagement. So when they comment back, you comment back and react. Okay. What I mean by react is, Facebook, you know how they have the love, the smiley face. Don't just like it, like, react. The Facebook algorithm gives more credence to the reactions than the actual likes. So that means that they're going to see more of your Facebook group posts and not get hidden. Okay. So do that. All right. Realize that building a group takes time. Okay. But if you are consistent, you can build a great group. I'm going to give you some tips on how to grow your group. But another thing is, you can invite people to your Facebook group. So go on YouTube and watch a video on that. But you can invite people to your Facebook group. If you think about it, if you set a number, let's say your goal was to invite 10 people a day to your Facebook group. That's a reasonable number. Okay. By the end of, the week, you could have 70 new members in your Facebook group. Let's say even a portion of them accept. You could have 35 new members in your Facebook group that are prospects, right? That they can learn more about it, right? So, over the course of a month, you have at least 120 new people. The course of a year, that's 1,200 plus people in your Facebook group that are they all said yes to joining your group. They accepted your invitation. So you can literally invite your Facebook friends to your Facebook group. Okay? There you go. And another good thing I want to say is about Facebook groups. Another good thing about Facebook groups is it's kind of like a hack to beat the Facebook algorithm. Because here's the thing. When you're posting on your Facebook wall, Facebook is always pushing that down, pushing that down, pushing that down. And it's a lot of competition for people to see your posts in the news feed. Whereas when people are in a Facebook group, they're going to see your stuff. They're going to see your stuff. Okay. So I love Facebook groups for that reason. And not only that, it's an additional layer of contact. So you can still lead people to your capture page from inside of your Facebook group, but you're building that community right there. And you can do it utilize the group on the reverse. So let's say you have an email list or a YouTube channel. You can lead people from your YouTube channel. All roads lead to your Facebook group, and that's where you can build relationship, community, and sell. Okay. Now, let's talk about how you can build Facebook groups in a realistic way. So one simple way is to do Facebook Lives on your wall. If you're growing your audience on your Facebook profile, you're going to have more people see your live as you continue to grow your friends. So I said this before in a live I did Sunday or last Sunday, you should be adding 15 to 30 new friends to your network every single day on any platform you're on, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Facebook, whatever. But if you're doing, you're on Facebook, you're adding 15 to 30 targeted friends a day, right? This is something I show people how to do in my Blueprint community, right? But you're adding 15 to 30 friends a day targeted. Okay, you do a Facebook Live and you tell people, hey, I just talked to you about making money online. I just gave you a testimonial. I just showed you this. I just, gave you some tips on how to grow your business, XYZ. If you want to learn more about that, I have a free Facebook group. The link is in the comments beneath this video. Boom. Now you're driving traffic and visitors to your Facebook group. Okay, this is how last week I grew one of my groups by 30 members. Okay, so utilize Facebook Lives. Also encourage your members to invite their friends to join. So I don't do it that often, but maybe once or twice a week, or every 2 weeks, I'll ask in my groups, I'll say, hey guys, Mad Dash, let's see who can invite the most people to this group. And, sometimes I'll give a little prize. I'll be like, oh, $5 gift certificate. I'll just go to Starbucks or Starbucks online or whatever and send them an e-gift card for a free coffee or something, whatever. You get creative, right? It could be a free ebook you have, or a free course that you have, or something that you have. I just give an incentive to see who in the group could invite the most people to our group. I say, hey, I'm giving away a free gift. Sometimes I don't even tell them what the gift is. I just say, I'm doing a free gift. Let's see how big we can grow this group today. And people will amaze you. People will start tagging their friends, inviting their friends, and you'll be like, whoa, I just woke up to an extra 30 people to my group, or 10 people to my group, or whatever. So encourage your members to invite their friends to join, right? Also share and promote your own compelling content. And I'm going to talk about this because what I want to talk about now is a simple strategy that I learned from one of my mentors to manage my group. Put compelling content that's related to my Facebook group in there, but keep the management of my group simple. So one of my mentors said, what she does is, for example, I'll use my wellness group as a very good example. She sits down and she makes a theme for every single day. So Monday, let's start Wednesday. Wednesday is Water Wednesday. Tuesday is Testimony Tuesday. Monday is Motivation Monday. Thursday is, I don't know, make something up. And Friday is Fit and Healthy Thursday, right? So now she has her theme for every day has a theme. Now she just comes up with posts and she schedules them every single Sunday. So in your Facebook group, when you go to schedule a post, when you go to post, it says there's an option that says schedule. So within 15 minutes, her group already has content for the whole week that's posting into her group, right? That content that people want to know. So for example, if you're in a wellness group, people want to know how much water should they be drinking. People want to know how to lose weight. People want to see testimonies about your product, right? So all of these things she schedules on Sunday for 15, 20 minutes, and her group always has content posting in it. She doesn't have to wake up and say, oh my God, what kind of content should I post in my group? It's already done. Now, the only thing she has to do is go into her group once a day for 15 minutes while she's watching TV and engage in her group, or say, hey guys, how was your day? Or something like that. everything else is done. And you don't have to think about, it's a brainless way to grow your Facebook group. So I hope that makes sense. So share and promote compelling content in your Facebook group. And I just gave you a strategy on how to do that. I already said all that. Hold on, let me make sure. Oh, this is an important one. Make sure that you welcome all new members in the group. A couple times I forgot to do that, but Facebook makes it easy for you to welcome new people. So again, if you have a pinned post, every time someone joins your group, just welcome them under that pinned post group. In my Team Cash Blueprint group, my members are trained to do that. I'm like, when somebody's new, welcome them under the group. So now they welcome other people underneath the pinned post. So make sure that you welcome new members. It's going to help again with that sense of community and engagement. Okay. So I just gave a whole overview on how to use Facebook groups to grow your online business, how members who are in $25 One Up could as well, which is one of my income opportunities where I made over $24,000, how they could use that same strategy and also grow their leads, grow their community, and grow their sales. Okay. That's also how you can turn cold leads, right, into warm leads, because now they know and like and trust you. So you could also be like, okay, now that we got through all that, right, I've been presenting in a group what the opportunity is, how it works, testimonies, things like that, showing you how it works, this and the other. Are you ready to get started or not? I ask that question in the group like twice a week, 3 times a week. Okay, like just a blanket, who's ready to get started? Who's ready to get started? Who's ready to get fit? Who's like, I just keep asking it like 2 or 3 times a week. So I said all that to say, I got way off task. If you need help in your online business, beneath this video, message me. You can get access to the blueprint. If you want to learn about Facebook groups, underneath this video is some information on how to use Facebook groups to grow your business. And if you're in $25 One Up but you need help as well, you want to grow your business, information underneath there. If you don't know what $25 One Up is and you want to watch the full presentation, underneath this video, watch the full presentation. You could go ahead and get started with $25 One Up if you want to start an online business with 100% commissions. All right, that's it. Smash the subscribe button. I hope you learned something. Let me know your best takeaways beneath this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Grow your business with Facebook groups. Bye, guys.